Hello everybody, this is a BMW E46. It's got a bad fuel pump. I want to show what it does. I got my power probe connected. Here is where the fuel pump is located. I got the test probe ready to go, so I'm gonna crank it up, and the car is not gonna start because it's got a bad fuel pump. I already checked the fuel pump relay. Everything is good, so let's go ahead and that's my fuel gauge. Alright, no fuel pump gauge, and that's voltage from the relay. Engine is spinning over real good. We got 11 volts and no fuel pressure. Okay. So now I know for sure that this car needs a fuel pump. This is a BMW E46 with a bad fuel pump. If you happen to need a BMW key programming, give me a call, 214-207-2619. Thank you.